Okay. Hello guys, good morning. We are not in afternoon, eh? almost. This is Akara and Akamu. Ah, wow. See my fine Akamu. Woo! I just want video I'm gonna see. And this one is not easy. See my Akara when I fry with Akamu. This is my Akamu and Akara. I just want to video, then you guys wanna come join us. So you see, we want just using the weather they dot this morning as the rain just before. At least I just think and say, oh, I and my children, at least we need to eat something hot, something warm like this, Yeah. So I just say make I fry akara and kamu this morning. Say don't take now. We never eat this kind of food. As an African woman now, we need to prepare and we eat them. Like say we dey Africa. Okay. Guys, may you come and join us. Enjoy with us, Okay guys. Have a nice appetite. Bon appetito. Ciao.